So if you just bought your brand new Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and you want to protect the screen and kind of dress it up a little bit, I've got a couple bezel stylings from Ringke as well as some tempered glass to protect your screen. Now if you guys want to pick any of these up, I will be putting product links in this video's description. And stick with me to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch test to see how durable the tempered glass really is. And I promise you by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not these accessories are for you. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is to install the tempered glass screen protectors. As you can see, they do repel water and fingerprints. And it comes in a 4-pack. So we get 4 tempered glass screen protectors and some installation tools. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to thoroughly clean off your screen. Then take one of your screen protectors. Make sure that this little sticker here is on the underside of the protector. Take one of your stickers, stick it to the top of the protector, then hold it on the side and peel off the underside of that protector. Then you can hold on to that sticker to help you place this on your watch, and then just simply put it into place. Then once you have the screen protector where you want it, just simply press in the middle of the protector and it will adhere to your screen. You can take off your sticker and then use the included squeegee to get rid of any bubbles. So I think that came out looking pretty good. I don't see any bubbles and it fits perfectly within the watch's face. So as you can see, the screen is nice and clear. As far as touch goes, touch seems to be working just fine. No issues there. And if you do have problems with touch, you can always turn on the touch sensitivity. Go into display, scroll all the way down, and just turn on touch sensitivity. And as far as fingerprints goes, it doesn't seem to pick up pretty much any fingerprints. There might be a slight smudge on the screen, but for the most part, it does an excellent job at rejecting fingerprints. The screen is also nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the watch. And now let's test out the scratch resistance. So tempered glass typically starts to scratch around a number 6, so we're going to start off with a number 5. So here is our number 5. Then we're going to move on to a number 6. And then finally, a number 7. So if we take a closer look, as you can see, there are no scratches at the number 5. There are at the number 6, and it looks like a little deeper at the number 7. So scratch resistance is pretty much on par with other tempered glass. So now let's check out the bezel stylings. So here is that bezel cover. As you can see the numbers so much better on the cover than you can on the actual watch. So this is definitely going to come in handy. It also comes with some extra stickers as well. So the first thing you want to do is to clean off the bezel on your watch. Then take your bezel. We're going to peel off the sticker from the underside. Then you want to make sure that you line these numbers up with the numbers that are already on the watch. And then just simply press it into place. And there we go. There is the bezel cover. And as you can see, you can just very easily still rotate the bezel without any issues. Works really well, stays on the watch. And like I mentioned before, now you can easily see these numbers versus the small ones printed on the inside of the watch. And as you can see, it doesn't add any extra bulk to the watch either. Fits perfectly. And then here we have the all silver bezel styling. Now for the silver one, it doesn't really matter how you line it up because there are no numbers on it. Just simply put it over the bezel on your watch and then just press it into place. So I definitely think that looks pretty cool. If you have one of the black watches like I do, it adds a nice accented silver to the front of the watch. And it's also just as easy to rotate the bezel. This will also protect your watch from getting scratched up on the top as well. And Ringke also makes these bezels for the regular Galaxy Watch 6 44mm as well. So that definitely does look really sharp. It does dress up the watch a good amount. And then if you have a nicer band, you can also dress your watch up even more with that. So what did you guys think about the bezels and the screen protector? Will you be picking one up, and which one was your favorite? I would definitely recommend the screen protector and these bezel covers because not only does it dress your watch up, but it also adds some good protection as well. So again, if you guys want to pick these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out my channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.